Namaskar, mere pyare deshvasiyo. A new day has dawned for India. Our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi has embarked on his third term. He carries with him the hopes and dreams of millions of Indians. His vision? To make India a developed nation by 2047, a strong, prosperous and proud India. Modi ji's leadership has been transformative. He has always put the nation first. His dedication to India's progress is unwavering. He believes in the power of every Indian. He wants to empower each one of us. This is not just a dream. It is a pledge to build a brighter future for our children. A future where every Indian can stand tall. A future where India takes its rightful place on the world stage. Let us all join hands and work together. Let us make this dream a reality. Modi ji's mission is clear. A strong economy, good governance, better infrastructure, more jobs, improved healthcare and education, a cleaner and greener India, a safer and more secure India, and above all, a united and harmonious India. A strong economy is the foundation of a strong nation. Modi ji understands this. He wants to make India an economic powerhouse. Make in India is not just a slogan, it is a call to action. A call to make India a global manufacturing hub. Infrastructure is the backbone of development. Modi ji's government is committed to building world-class infrastructure. New highways, railways and airports are being constructed. This will connect every corner of India. It will create jobs and boost economic growth. India is a land of villages. Modi ji knows the importance of rural development. His government is working tirelessly to improve the lives of our farmers. New schemes are being implemented to double farmers' income. Technology is transforming the world. Modi ji wants India to be at the forefront of this digital revolution. Digital India is bridging the digital divide. It is empowering every Indian with technology. Modi ji believes in the power of education. He wants every child in India to receive quality education. New schools and colleges are being opened. The focus is on skill development and innovation. Healthcare is a priority for Modi ji's government. Affordable and accessible healthcare for all is the goal. New hospitals are being built. The government is also promoting traditional systems of medicine like Ayurveda and yoga. Social justice is close to Modi ji's heart. He wants to create a society where everyone has equal opportunities. His government is working to empower the poor, marginalized and disadvantaged sections of society. Women empowerment is crucial for India's progress. Modi ji has launched several initiatives to empower women. These initiatives focus on women's education, health and economic empowerment. Modi ji has raised India's stature on the global stage. He is a respected world leader. He has strengthened India's relationships with other countries. India is playing a more active role in global affairs. National security is paramount. Modi ji's government has taken strong measures to protect our borders. We are modernizing our armed forces. We are also strengthening our intelligence capabilities. Modi ji believes in a strong and prosperous India, an India free from poverty, illiteracy and disease. An India that is respected and admired by the world. Let us all join hands and work together to make this vision a reality.